Hey folks, Gary Navarre here again. Gal over in PotteryBasics there in Yahoo Groups, you know, in PotteryBasics, Gal Dana wanted to know more about this wedging table I got here. So I guess we'll take a look at it. Right now I got it weighted down with some clay. Keeps it kind of steady. There's that porcelain we made up, or no, we bought. There's some that we mixed. There's some we bought. And this here, it's feeling kind of stiff. I'm going to have to work that up. It'll hold quite a bit of clay. Take a look at how this thing is built. Ooh, boy, that's got to get fixed up there. That clay is getting kind of dry. Right now I got a bunch of stuff underneath it. I don't know. Maybe I could patch that with paper clay, porcelain or something. Paper clay in there and seal it up, refire it. It's kind of a cool pot. That was one of my first firings, I think. Turned out really neat, except for the crack. I don't know if I can sell it like that. Here's another one. It's all kind of warped. Well, I don't know. Let's see. What else have we got under here? Should probably clean it up. Oh, an old scale. Huh, this little cup. I think the problem is it's too small on the foot. Tips over too easy. Digital scale, that's our other scale. Well, I don't know, maybe we'll have to talk about that. What can I keep them? And shoot, that don't look like it's cracked all the way through, just on the bottom. The inside it don't look bad. Well, we better check these out before I smash them. Now, this thing is not attached to the wall. I use that extra weight there. See, how's that? It keeps it down. Take a look at how it's built. I haven't looked at it in a long time. It's pretty sturdy. See, some of you woodworkers might know how to do that. Pretty darn simple, looks like. Just a piece of plywood there. And then canvas on top. And this thing, somebody asked me about why I got these up here. What it is a Christmas wreath clamp. You see that thing there? You turn it out and then stomp that lever with a ring of like a staple, a ring of staples, and then you clamp the balsam fronds in there to make a Christmas wreath. Anyway, that's the way I stashed it there, and then made room so I could put my glazes up here on the table. And it works out pretty good because I don't usually use that space for anything else. That's kind of basically the idea. And we'll just end up putting her back. Later, I see my battery's dead. Alright. That's good enough. Bye-bye.